Hello. In this video, you'll learn how to set up your own Telegram store in just a few minutes. Developing a Telegram bot for selling goods and services unlocks new opportunities for your business. Imagine your store operating 24/7, right in your customers' smartphones. Clients can place orders anytime, while you receive instant notifications about new purchases. Automation streamlines workflows. The bot handles inquiries autonomously, updates order statuses, and even sends delivery tracking numbers. A key advantage is direct communication with your audience. Unlike email campaigns or social media, Telegram messages rarely end up in spam, ensuring your offers reach genuinely interested users. Moreover, launching and maintaining a bot requires minimal investment. You won't need expensive platforms or complex ad campaigns. Telegram offers a built-in audience, and automation reduces operational costs. It's a powerful tool for small and medium businesses aiming to scale efficiently without overspending. The best part? Implementing this solution requires just 3 elements: your product catalog, a Telegram bot, and a simple online foundation. To get started, you'll first need to set up a WordPress website. Most modern hosting services enable this with just a few clicks. And the WooCommerce plugin will serve as your all-in-one solution for managing products, customers, and orders. To create your Telegram store, follow these simple steps. No programming required. Step 1. Install WooCommerce plugin. Log into your site's admin panel and open the Plugins menu. Click Add New Plugin and search for WooCommerce. Click Install Now next to the WooCommerce plugin. Wait for installation, then click Activate. After activation, the Welcome to Woo Setup wizard will open. Configure your store using the wizard or skip it by clicking Skip Guided Setup. Select your country and click Go to My Store. Step 2. Add products. Navigate to Products, add new product. Enter the product name, description, and price. Add an image, category, and weight of the product. Click Publish. Add all the necessary products. All added products can be viewed on the Products page or on the Stores page. Step 3. Download and install Teleshop plugin. Visit telebots.pro website, link in description, and go to Download section. Download the plugin version compatible with your site's PHP. Go to Plugins. Click Add New Plugin, then Upload Plugin. Click Choose File and select the downloaded Teleshop archive. Click Install Now, followed by Activate Plugin. Go to the plugin settings. To do this, in the top panel, select Teleshop, Settings, General. Enter the bot's token and name, obtained when it was created. The How to Create a Telegram Bot guide is linked in the description. The bot name can include it or not. Save settings with Save Changes. Step 4. Configure the plugin. The default settings in the Security and Logging tabs are optimized. Adjust them if needed and click Save Changes. The Auto Actions tab contains settings for recurring tasks. The Commands tab contains commands to display in the bot menu, and also message texts. Response to the Start command. Response to unknown commands. Response to text messages that the bot can recognize. In the Keyboard tab, customize the bot's main button menu. In the Shop Setup tab, you can change the text About Us that is displayed when you press the About Us button on the bot's keyboard, and the text of a successfully placed order. Step 5. Connect the bot. Open the Teleshop menu in the left sidebar or top WordPress panel. Click the Set Telegram Connection button to link your Telegram bot. To enable the bot's command menu, click Set in the Bot menu section. This page also allows sending messages to everyone or a specific user on behalf of your bot. Step 6. Configure permalinks. Go to Settings, Permalinks. Under Permalinks Structure section, select Post Name. Click Save Changes. Step 7. Test your store. Your Telegram store is now ready to accept orders 24/7. Our team can customize your store or develop a unique Telegram bot tailored to your needs. Contact us via Telegram, link in description. Happy selling!